Hey everyone, Josh with Alliance. On today's Tech Tip Tuesday, I'm going to be showing you some of our connectors that we have at the front of a Mack TerraPro, what they are, what they do, and how they need to be tied up properly to ensure they won't get caught while tilting the cab. So as you can see right now, we're looking at a Mack TerraPro cab over chassis. I've went ahead and taken the grill off just for this video. And over on the passenger side, you'll see a couple different connectors that we at Alliance here install in order to connect the pump to the chassis. So you'll see this big round one right here, which is a 31 pin Deutsch connector. That's what our 12 wire runs through. Controls things like throttle control, PTO, on or off, stuff like that. Right behind it, which is a little hard to see, we have our 4-pin connector for our proximity sensor, and this truck is optioned with feedback screens. So we actually have another 2-pin connector down there for our CAN bus wire, so you can have that reading on your Scanrico remote. Nevertheless, every Mack TerraPro will have a certain number of connectors up here, and what we want to make sure of is that they have proper slack on them when they're tied up. So they always should come like that, but if you're ever in here diagnosing something, you cut the zip ties, whatever it may be, you need to make sure that you're tying them in such a way where they come down, have a service loop down there, and then come back up. Because what I have seen before in the past is people will take these connectors and they'll tie them just straight here, or tie them to the AC line right here, or just go straight up like this. But what happens in that case is that when you tilt the cab, it actually will rip all those wires out. It could snap the connector or things like that. So you just want to make sure you're really mindful when you're up here that everything comes down, loops nicely, and has a lot of extra slack on it. Not so much where it's flapping around in the wind or anything like that, but just so that when you tilt the cab forward, nothing will rip or break there. If you have any questions on this topic, feel free to give us a call.